A very good morning, students. How are you all? I hope that you all are doing good at your homes. Students, so our class is started from today, and we will continue our term 2 portion, starting with this poem, starting with English main course glitter book, which is this, you can see this, and we will start the poem, which is the balloon man. The balloon man. So let's start this poem. This poem is about the man who is selling the colorful balloons. You can see, which always bring smiles on our face whenever we see these balloons. We just keep smiling. So you can see the children here. They are also smiling. So let's start this poem. He always comes on market days and holds balloons, a lovely bunch. And in the market square, he stays and never seems to think of lunch. They're red and purple, blue and green, and when it is a sunny day, the carts and the people get between. You see them shining far away. You can see them shining far away. In the sunny days, also, he holds balloons, a lovely bunch in the market squares. He stays and he never seems to think of lunch. Who? Balloon Man. And some are big and some are small, all tied together with a string. You can see these lines are about balloons. And if there is a wind at all, they tug and tug like anything. Some days, perhaps, he'll let them go, and we shall see them sailing high, and stand and watch them from below. They would look pretty in the sky. So, students, this poem is about Balloon Man and balloons. So here, this stranger is about balloon man, and this stranger is about balloons. So this stranger is saying that whenever balloon man comes in the market days, he holds the balloon, a lovely bunch. He holds a lovely bunch of balloon in his hand, and in the market square he stands and never think of lunch. He don't even think of lunch. He just stand there in the market square, and here the lines are about the balloons. They are red and purple. These balloons are the color of these balloons are red and purple, blue and green. When it is a sunny day, the cards and people get between. You see them shining far away. So, who is the poet? Rose Fleming. Rose Fleming is saying, Rose Fleming जो poet हैं, he is saying that ये बलून मैन आ जाते हैं बलून्स लेकर सब बच्चों को देने के लिए, सब बच्चों को सेल करने के लिए इन द मार्केट के स्क्वायर में. मार्केट स्क्वायर मीन्स जो मार्केट का चौराहा होता है, दैट्स कॉल्ड मार्केट स्क्वायर. मार्केट स्क्वायर में आके खड़े हो जाते हैं, एंड वो अपने लंच के बारे में भी नहीं सोचते और बलून वो सेल करते रहते हैं. द कलर्स ऑफ बलून्स आर गिवन हियर, रेड, पर्पल एंड ग्रीन. एंड सम आर बिग एंड सम आर स्मॉल, ऑल टाइड टुगेदर इन द स्ट्रिंग. कुछ छोटे होते हैं, कुछ बड़े होते हैं, और सभी स्ट्रिंग से टाइड होते हैं, बंधे हुए रहते हैं. एंड इफ़ देयर इज़ अ विंड एट ऑल, और अगर हवा चलने लग जाती है तो क्या होते हैं वो? टग एंड टग लाइक एनीथिंग, वो खींचने चले जाते हैं, खींचने लग जाते हैं. सम डेज परहैप्स ही लेट देम गो. कभी कभी तो बलून मैन उनको जाने देता है, बलून्स को. एंड वी शेल सी देम सेलिंग हाई. हम लोग उनको उड़ते हुए, दूर तक उड़ते हुए देखते रहते हैं. And stand and watch them from below, they would look pretty in the sky. वो आसमान में, स्काई में बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं. So this poet is saying all this. So students, you all have to write down the word meanings which is given here on your notebook, and I'll send you the answers of these questions separately. Okay, and learn the poem also. So students, that's all for today's class. We will meet in our next class. Till then,